Hello. So sometimes I have help to switch on the camera. Today is that special day. I always don't have that privilege. तो मैं यहाँ पे आज खड़ी हूँ, वहाँ से घूम के नहीं आ रही हूँ. I'm Ipsa. We're doing concave lens numericals. Okay, that's from light chapter, and specifically only concave lens numericals. Okay, we've done 3-4 episodes on convex lens numericals. So we're starting with concave. Though we have discussed when it is going to be positive, when all these things are going to be negative, but I'll quickly recap the why something is positive and why something are negative. See the front surface, the circle will be here, that's why focus will be here. This section is a negative section. This section is positive section. Now object is always, so this becomes negative. The object is always on this side, wherever it is, so you will be negative. Because now this one always forms a smaller and virtual and erect image. So virtual side कौन सी होती है? ये virtual side होती है, ये real side होती है. So if the image is formed here, this will also be negative because it is in the negative section. Okay. Now object is always straight, erect. So erect means H positive. जब भी कोई चीज सीधी खड़ी होती है, अभी मैं सीधी खड़ी हूँ या उल्टी खड़ी हूँ? मैं अभी सीधी खड़ी हूँ. सो जब भी कोई चीज सीधी खड़ी होती है, उसका हाइट का साइन पॉजिटिव हो जाता है. नाउ वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट, दैट मीन्स द इमेज इज ऑल्सो इरेक्ट. वो भी सीधी खड़ी रहती है, तो उसका साइन भी पॉजिटिव हो जाता है. एच डैश इज ऑल्सो पॉजिटिव. Anything we are left with magnification. Now, from here, it's okay. We can just remember magnification will be anywhere between 0 to 1, like 0.2, 0.1, 0.9, 0.8, anything like this. Positive, but less than 1. I hope the recap is done, and we will start with the numerical. In the meanwhile, you can start reading till I am cleaning the board. Okay. Okay. So, when an object of height, okay, let's first write the table, data table. UVF, H, H dash, and M. Those of you who have seen the convex numericals section, you know that you first just write all the things which are there in the in this section. What all variables we have, we write it here, and whatever फिर हम जो पढ़ते हैं वो हम उसके अंदर fill in करते जाते हैं. अब इसने क्या लिखा है? Height of 20. किसकी हाइट है? ऑब्जेक्ट की हाइट, ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ हाइट. सो हियर वी यूज्ड दिस, वी विल यूज दिस. ओके, ऑब्जेक्ट की हाइट का कौन सा सिंबल होता है? ये 20 सेंटीमीटर. ऑलराइट, बट व्हाट इज द साइन? ऑब्जेक्ट हमेशा सीधा खड़ा होता है, इरेक्ट खड़ा होता है. सो it will be positive. Put the positive sign even if positive की जरूरत है, तो don't leave it blank. Put some sign or the other. Okay, then let's read ahead. This we've used. Near a concave lens. Good. So we can start drawing the diagram, and that will help us in a lot of ways. So we start drawing, and we draw this. Okay, so it's a I know it's a little crooked, but doesn't matter. Look, in front of a concave lens, कहाँ गया? In front of a concave lens, 50 centimeter away from it. Now, what is this 50 centimeter? What is 50 centimeter away? It's the object which is 50 centimeter away. See, the object is of height something in front of a concave lens is 50 centimeter away. तो ऑब्जेक्ट is का distance है ये from the lens. तो this is object distance is u and this is 15 centimeter, right? Now which side is it on? It's on this side. Object is always on this side. So the sign, because it is on this side, the sign becomes negative because it is on the left side. Let's write this negative, positive, real, virtual. Good. Now let's read ahead. The is formed as 10 centimeter from the lens. The image is formed 10 centimeter or is it 20? 10 centimeter from the लेंस. अब हमें पता है ये वाले लेंस कॉन्केव लेंस में ऑलवेज 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 द इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑलवेज. सो because of our knowledge of the image, we can just make the V somewhere here and right here 10 centimeter. Now again we have to put the sign. Which side is it? Negative side. Negative side means हमें negative sign लगाना पड़ेगा. So this is 50 U and this is 10. Doesn't look like 10 at all. So this is 10. Okay, now we have three things in our information. You have U, V and height of object, H. Now what are they telling us to find? Focal length, height of the image and predict the properties. Focal length, height of the image and properties. How can we first find the focal length? Focal length, we have only one formula, which is this one. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, या फिर इसी का एक डिस्टॉर्टेड फॉर्म f is equal to uv upon u minus v. दिस इज जस्ट उसको रीशफल करके बेसिक फॉर्मूला को ही रीशफल कर दिया है. सो वी कैन यूज द सेकेंड रीशफल्ड फॉर्मूला uv upon u minus v. All we'll do is put the values of u and v. So that means f is equal to u की जगह -50, v की जगह -10 and -50 minus and v की जगह -10. So what does it become? -50. 50 into 10 upon minus 40 and 25 by 2, it becomes 12.5 and that too negative. So focal length is minus 12.5. Now, can this focal length of this question be negative? Can the focal length of this question be negative? Of course, we know that this lens has a negative focal length. इसकी focal length यहाँ कहीं होती है, obviously negative होगी. So our answer may be correct कि focal length negative आई है. Let's mark the focus also here. If this is 10, 12.5 may be somewhere here and this is the focus. All right. Okay, now next thing is you have to find the image height. Now, which is the only formula that helps us to know image height? H dash and H. Do you think I'm flaunting my scale too much? I think. Okay, H dash and H. अभी मैग्निफिकेशन नहीं पता है, छोड़ दो. हमें VU पता है और H भी पता है. So we can use this section of the formula and find height of the image. So let's write this. H dash upon H is equal to V by U. जो जो हमको पता है, हमको ये तीन चीजें पता है, we will write them. That means H dash, what was the height of object? 120 is equal to -10 and -50. I have just substituted ये सब की values. Okay. So H dash, if you calculate on your own, will come out 4 centimeter. Okay, so wherever the image is, here the image is here, you will form a 4 centimeter tall image. The object was 20 centimeter tall, but the image is only 4 centimeter tall. Now predict the properties में हमें ज़्यादा कुछ सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं. हमें पता ही है कि कॉनकेव फॉर्म्स वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट, डिमिनिश्ड, फिक्स्ड ही है, उसका कुछ चेंज नहीं होता. कॉनकेव का वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट, डिमिनिश्ड एंड on the same side as object. This is fixed for properties of concave. So we'll just write virtual, erect, diminished, and on same side as object. So this you can interpret from here also. देखो ये 4 है और ओरिजिनल हाइट थी 20, तो छोटी हो गई ना इमेज. V यहाँ पे, सो द सेम साइड एज ऑब्जेक्ट. ये वर्चुअल की साइड है, तो वर्चुअल इज ऑलवेज इरेक्ट, सो इरेक्ट. So this concave lens is that way is easy because you don't have to think too much. It just keeps happening on its own. So I'll pause the video here, come back in 2 minutes with the next question. Okay, so the privilege is gone. Who was helping me switch on the camera and switch off has gone away. Okay, we are on the second question of concave lenses. हो सकता है concave lens, हो सकता है convex lens. So keep yourself alert. Signs, we've discussed all this. Now, let's read the question. Before reading the question, we'll make the data sheet. UVF, H dash, and M. So we keep this ready, जिससे हम जो भी रीड करें फटाफट फिल इन कर सकें. Okay, so the first statement is, an object is placed 40 centimeter. Object placed 40 centimeter. मतलब object distance. Okay. So object distance is 40 centimeter. Now the sign. चाहे convex lens हो चाहे concave lens हो, object तो हमेशा left side पे रखते हैं ना, हमेशा left side पे रखते हैं और उसका sign हो जाता है. Object sign is something which never changes. It is always negative. U is always negative. लिख दिया हमने. In front of a concave lens. Now again, because it is a concave lens, we automatically know a lot of things. Okay. What all things we know? We know that the object will be on this side, image will be on this side, focal length will be on this side. So image will be erect, ऑब्जेक्ट विल बी इरेक्ट एंड मैग्निफिकेशन विल लाई बिटवीन 0 and 1. तो इतनी सारी चीज़ें हमें पहले से ही पता हो जाती हैं, क्योंकि ये लेंस सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ करता है कि इमेज को यहाँ बनाता है और फोकल लेंथ भी इधर होती है एंड सो ऑन. सो द इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ कॉन्केव ये हमने यूज कर लिया, और फोकल लेंथ 60 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो द फोकल लेंथ विल बी ऑन दिस साइड and the sign will be negative because it is on the left side. This is the negative side, this is the positive side. Okay, so let's make the 60. This is the focus, and let's make 40, which is the object distance. Let's read ahead. You have to find the magnification produced. Okay, magnification produced has these two formulas. The only two formulas that magnification has is this and this. Does h dash and are they known? Height of object and height of image हमें पता है? नहीं, कोई मेंशन ही नहीं है h और h dash का तो कोई अता पता ही नहीं है. छोड़ो, जब अता पता ही नहीं है. v and u, m is equal to v by u. अब हमें u पता है पर v नहीं पता और m नहीं पता, फिर भी नहीं निकाल सकते. तो फिर क्या करें? एटलीस्ट पर इसमें एक चीज पता है, u पता है, तो हम किसी तरह v निकाल सकते हैं. v हम यहां से निकाल सकते हैं फोकल लेंथ वाले फॉर्मूले से. राइट, मैग्निफिकेशन के लिए हमें v चाहिए, और v कहाँ से निकल सकता है? फोकल लेंथ वाला फॉर्मूला से. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग वी डू इज, ओके लेट्स रब दिस बिकॉज ये तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं चाहिए, and save some space because this is a small board, and m will keep. From the first focal length formula we'll find the v, image distance. Okay, so focal length, I have told in the previous videos also, I prefer this formula to the other formula because that is more prone to mistakes. उसमें ज़्यादा mistakes होने के chances होते हैं. So I use this. Your wish. I would recommend this. ठीक है. Now I'll put the values. Focal length कितनी है? -60. And u कितना है? -40. v. ना वैसे तो हमको पता है कि v भी हाँ होना चाहिए, मगर जब तक हमें किसी चीज़ की वैल्यू नहीं पता होती है ना, कि वो 10 है 20, जब तक हम उसकी वैल्यू नहीं पता होती तब तक हम उसका साइन नहीं रखते. ओके, हमें v की वैल्यू नहीं पता ना, पर ये पता है कि वो लेफ्ट साइड पे होने वाला है, मगर हम फिर भी उसका साइन नहीं रखेंगे. हमें u पता है, उसका साइन हमने रख दिया. So uv and okay, so this becomes the basic equation, and then we'll have to cross multiply and solve it in different manners. So 2400 plus 60v is equal to -40v. 2400 is equal to -100v. That means v is equal to 24 minus 24 centimeter. Somebody is disturbing me at my place, not you all. So the v means image distance is 24. अब 24 कहाँ होगा? यहाँ कहीं होगा. So the v is 24. हमें पता था कि वो, देखो नेगेटिव आया, नेगेटिव आने से क्या हमें पता ही था पहले भी कि इधर ही आना चाहिए. So this is good. Now let's find, they had told us to find magnification. Okay, so h dash और h का तो आता पता नहीं है. We'll use the other formula, which is magnification is equal to v by u. अब हमें v भी पता है, u भी पता है. We'll find magnification. Minus 24 upon minus, what was u? Minus 40. That will become 6 upon 10, and that will be 3 upon 5. That will be 0.6. So the magnification comes out to be 0.6. और हमें as a fact क्या पता है about the magnification? For this lens, for concave lens, magnification lies between 0 to 1. Does 0.6 lie between 0 to 1? So all our calculations most likely correct होंगी, because हमारी focal length भी negative आई, हमारी image distance भी negative आई, हमारा magnification भी अपने range में आया. So most likely everything will be fine. Now next thing we have to find is ratio of image size and object size ratio. That means what do we have to find is image size को या image height को क्या symbol होता है? Image size को या image height को symbol होता है h dash. Okay, doesn't matter. Ratio of image height to object height. This is what we have to find. The ratio, not individual values. उनका ratio निकालना है. What formula can we use? See, h dash upon h can be used with v by u, or it can be used by with m. तो हम m से कर लेते ना, हमारे पास m भी है. So we'll say this is equal to m. So h dash upon s is equal to 0.6. So this becomes your next answer. इस 0.6 का मतलब पता है? That the image will be about half of the object, 0.6 times the object. That's it. So if the image is this much, okay, leave it. It will be about approximately about half, yeah, exactly about 0.6 times the object height. Okay, thank you. Hope you've understood it. We'll take another video on slightly more difficult topic, difficult numericals. Stay tuned.